Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you a simple trick how you can fix high RAM usage in a Microsoft Edge web browser. So let's get started. In the first step, launch the Microsoft Edge web browser on your desktop computer, and after that click on these three dots here in the top right corner of your home screen and access your browser settings here at the bottom. And what you want to do next, guys, to, for example, control how much memory or RAM you allow Microsoft Edge to use is to access a feature that is called resource controls. You may find that feature here in the system and performance department of your browser settings here on the left hand side, system and performance. And next, scroll down to the very bottom till you get to that section here, manage your performance. Now bear in mind, guys, that resource control feature is not available for all Microsoft Edge users, but only for some selected users. That feature is still in its rollout phase, so it's not accessible for everyone according to that information I found on the blog of Microsoft Edge. But if you are amongst the eligible users, you will find the resource controls feature here in your manage your performance section of your browser settings, just below the performance detector feature here. And that resource controls feature will give you the opportunity to determine how much GB of memory or RAM you allow Microsoft Edge to use. And that's basically it, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful, and I'll catch you later.